JVC Kenwood TH-WD05, a compact Dolby Atmos soundbar built around wood cone technology. JVC Kenwood has introduced the TH-WD05, a premium 3.1-channel soundbar that stands out in today's crowded home audio market by combining modern surround sound technology with the company's long-established wood cone speaker engineering. Designed for users who want rich audio performance in a slim and elegant package, the TH-WD05 blends Dolby Atmos capability with natural expressive sound reproduction. At the heart of the TH-WD05 are its internally developed wood cone drivers, a technology that JVC has refined over decades. These cones are crafted from thin sheets of wood that offer a unique balance between rigidity and acoustic warmth. As a result, the soundbar is capable of delivering detailed highs and full mid-range tones with a natural character that synthetic materials often struggle to match. JVC claims this design helps create a more realistic and emotionally engaging listening experience, especially for vocals and acoustic content. The TH-WD05 uses a 3.1-channel configuration, powered by a total of 100 watts. It features three 20-watt front drivers left, right, and center along with a 40-watt built-in woofer to reinforce low frequencies. The center channel is particularly notable. JVC employs a flat-type driver that projects dialogue clearly and directly toward the listener. This design is further supported by the unit's clear voice mode, which enhances speech intelligibility without compromising surrounding sound effects. For users who frequently watch dramas, news, or movies with heavy dialogue, this feature provides a significant upgrade over standard TV audio. Despite its immersive features, the TH-WD05 maintains a compact footprint. Measuring 697 x 77.5 110 mm, it fits comfortably under most televisions, including in smaller living rooms, bedrooms, or apartment spaces where larger systems may be impractical. The design is clean yet premium, offered in natural wood and brown wood finishes that match a variety of interior styles. At 3.5 kilograms, the soundbar is lightweight enough for easy placement but solid enough to minimize vibrations. For connectivity, the soundbar includes an HDMI ARC EARC port, allowing it to accept high-quality audio signals from modern TVs with a single cable. It also offers optical digital, RCA analog, and USB inputs, supporting high-resolution audio files such as WAV and FLAC directly from a flash drive. This makes it a versatile music playback device in addition to its home theater capabilities. Wireless functionality is equally strong. The TH-WD05 supports Bluetooth audio playback, enabling quick pairing with smartphones and tablets for music streaming. A unique bonus feature is its ability to transmit TV sound to Bluetooth headphones, offering a silent listening mode for late-night viewing. Combined with the onboard night mode, which optimizes audio for low-volume output, the soundbar is thoughtfully designed for households where noise control matters. The TH-WD05 also includes audio-enhancing presets to match different content types, helping users tailor their listening experience. Whether watching action movies, listening to music, or enjoying casual TV shows, the soundbar can adjust its processing to suit the environment and user preference. JVC Kenwood positions the TH-WD05 as a practical upgrade for everyday entertainment, delivering surround sound depth and clarity without requiring additional speakers or complicated installations. With Dolby Atmos support, the soundbar uses advanced processing to create a spacious and immersive soundstage that enhances movies and streaming content. While it does not rely on upward-firing drivers, its virtualized approach to Atmos still improves dimensionality compared to standard 2.1 or 3.0 soundbar setups. Priced at 59,840 yen, approximately $390 US, the TH-WD05 offers strong value considering its premium materials, wood cone design, and broad set of modern features. Although currently available primarily in Japan, it may attract international buyers seeking a compact but high-quality audio solution that stands apart from mainstream plastic cone soundbars. Overall, the JVC Kenwood TH-WD05 succeeds in combining craftsmanship with technology. Its wood cone drivers, refined dialogue performance, high-resolution audio support, and Dolby Atmos processing make it an appealing choice for users who want excellent sound without cluttering their space. Whether used for movies, dramas, or music playback, the TH-WD05 delivers performance that reflects JVC's long audio heritage while meeting the needs of today's connected home.